Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, traction control, running boards, power lift gate, air conditioning, passenger airbag, driver airbag, leather-wrapped steering wheel, side airbags, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.